Naglalakad lang sa Los Angeles nang biglang napasabak sa E-Try Karaoke Challenge ang SB19. Ang kanilang power vocals pakinggan sa Frontline Report ni MJ Marfori.
Excuse me. Hi, for $20, do you want to do E-Try Karaoke? How do you rank your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
A solid 1.
7.
If Pablo is 1, I'm gonna be 0.
Ang humble naman ng P-Pop Kings. Pero dahil SB19 yan, syempre, kumasa pa rin sa E-Try Karaoke Challenge sa Los Angeles, USA. At kinanta nila ang Finesse ni Bruno Mars. In fairness, laban na laban ang vocals. So tonight I'm gonna show you how. Baby, walk with you, I want the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. But baby, don't play. Kahit umaandar, para bang nasa concert lang sila.
Shut you down inside. That's right. I've been dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I am dripping in finesse. You know it, Yo!
Sigaw ng 18, collab with Bruno Mars, When? Kinanta rin nila ang hit song nila na Down.
Ano pakiramdam? Bakit ba nagkaganda? Ang daming tukso. Bawat hakbang laging may gulo. Pagkakalas.
Saan naman kaya nila gagamitin ng $20?
I'm gonna spend it on ice cream.
It's a bit hot today, so maybe an ice cream would
Treat ourselves to ice cream.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Johnny Alipon po, maging updated sa latest entertainment at lifestyle. Huwag magpahuli, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.